Would you like to crosshatch in pen and ink like the old masters, artists like Michelangelo and Albrecht Dürer, or more modern masters like Bernie Wrightson or Robert Crumb? Would you like to be able to create amazing artwork full of dramatic contrast and striking textures using only a pen? Well, I can teach you how. Hi everyone, my name is Mark Kompanietz, and I'm a professional artist and educator. My work runs the gamut, from illustration to fine art, but my primary focus over the years is traditional pen and ink figure drawing and portraiture. I've been studying methods used by the old masters for over 3 decades and wish to share my expertise with all of you through my online workshop called The Fundamentals of Crosshatching: The 6 Basic Strokes. In this information-packed class, intended for the beginning student, I'll give you everything you need to know to get started in this challenging yet rewarding drawing method. I'm going to give you art material recommendations, cover the 6 basic strokes used by the masters, explain 5 simple rules to follow to crosshatch effectively, and demonstrate various crosshatching methods. Then, at the end of the workshop, I'm going to put it all together and demonstrate how to do a drawing of these deceptively simple forms. This workshop should be an excellent launching point for those of you that wish to use crosshatching for figure drawing, illustration work, landscape, and urban sketching, or just for your doodling activities. For more information, check out my website, the link to which I'll leave below. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you at the workshop. Bye-bye.